Turn it off or they be copyrighting me up in here, okay? What's up, YouTube? Y'all closest I don't want in my face. How do I move this back? Go back. Go back. Ooh, go back. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shauna and I am back with another video, y'all. It's a weight loss video, okay? Sorry about this lighting. It's like mad sunny on here. I'm about to run in to my grandmother's to take her a donut and some coffee because she's cold. Yeah, my grandmother raised me. My grandmother and my grandfather. Sorry about the noise. I'm trying to get it back. They raised me, so now I take care of them. Well, not them, because my grandfather passed away. But I try to take care of my mama because she took care of me. So y'all, I'm gonna take y'all in here to meet her. She might fuss me out. Oh, I got the key. She might fuss me out, but don't pay her no mind. She's just a little fussy, a little bit. Okay? It's nice outside today. Cold but nice. So what's new with y'all? When y'all hear what's new with me, y'all be mad at me. But y'all might not be mad at me. Let me check the mail real quick. Oh, they got a Christmas tree. I'm gonna show y'all that Christmas tree. This is how you know you need weight loss surgery. Look at my neck. I hate that shit. Carrying her mail. Let me show you the street. Hello. Hey, how you doing? I'm good. How you doing? What you got there? Canon? Yeah, I'm getting ready to record my grandmother. Cause she always got a funny something to say, and I said one day I'm gonna get you on camera, so I'm about to record. Oh my goodness. She gonna get me. I'm gonna take the chances though. Have a good one. Happy holidays. Yo, I cannot wait till I'm old. Old people are so funny. Especially colored old people. I don't mean to say it like that. No offense to the Caucasian old people, but black old people be they be something else. Why she say something crazy to me? Just walking down to her house. She called me while I was at work and she was like, I'm just so cold. Turn up your heat, lady. Look at her little cute arrangements outside her apartment. Shut up, dog. Mama. Alright, y'all, so I couldn't get recording because she had the music on and she was gonna get me copyrighted. But yeah, I'll be back with the weight loss part of the video, okay? Okay, y'all. So people don't know how to drive. Sorry, that's so rude. So y'all, this is what happened to me. I posted on my Instagram and said, y'all, tomorrow is my first nutrition appointment, right? My first nutrition appointment was supposed to be on Thursday? Wednesday? Either Wednesday or Thursday, I forgot. Yo, why did I have to cancel the appointment? I know, it's so disappointing. Y'all not gonna watch me later. Y'all gonna wanna not follow me no more, but I just figured if I get on here and tell y'all, that's just me being super transparent and real about this whole entire situation. And in the process, honestly, shit happens. Shit really happens, and my husband...
Goodbye.
What? Y'all, I hate when Siri be popping up and be like, I didn't catch that. Like, I don't know who trying to listen to me, but I don't be doing nothing I'm supposed to be doing. So, FBI, detectives, CIA, whoever y'all is, stop listening to my phone, okay? So y'all, like I was saying, I'm just trying to be as real as possible and take y'all along on this journey as things happen, how they happen. And real shit is, I had to cancel my appointment because my husband got an email for a really good job for a last minute interview. So I went on my provider portal and I went to cancel, but then I felt bad. I was like, let me call them and give an explanation, so at least I don't look crazy out here in these streets, because I've already canceled these appointments once and then rescheduled all of them. So I called and the lady was like, oh, it's okay. She was like, do you want me to reschedule or do you want to cancel all the appointments again? And then I felt so bad because now I got a reputation at the weight loss clinic that I canceled. Oh my God, where's the sun? I just was in the sun. Now I'm out the sun. So anyhow, I just got a bad reputation with the weight loss clinic now. I gotta get off the street. I need some sun. And I felt so bad. I did, y'all. But I really had to cancel because my husband has been looking for a particular kind of job with a certain schedule, and this one would be perfect. So I had to cancel it so he can go. And then with the real effed up part about the whole thing is, after he responded to the person saying that he can come in, she responded later and said, actually, can I meet with you on Monday instead? Y'all, I was so heated. Not at him because I had to cancel for him for the interview or whatever, but at the whole, the sun ain't that bad. This is my dumb ass. At the whole situation, like, because I had to cancel it. So I just was mad at the whole situation that I even had to cancel my appointment, because I was just so excited to learn some new stuff. And to have to get on here and tell y'all that I did that is just so embarrassing. But at the same time, I thought about it and was like, whatever, this is just real life. This is how things are occurring in my life right now. And I said that I wanted to document my journey in a way that people could relate to me and could be a part of the whole process. And so that's why I decided to come on and tell you, because that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm letting you see every step. I'm letting you know that this is not a perfect process, that things will not always happen the way that you want them to happen. Things may be delayed. You might go to the nutrition appointments and realize this is not for you. But y'all, so now, because the appointment changed, and again, because my insurance requires 6 months of nutrition and mental health counsel, so now again my surgery has been pushed back. So instead of it being in May, now my last nutrition appointment is going to be the last week in May, and now my surgery is it's now going to be in June. But I'm just like, whatever, because you know what, y'all, every day that passes me, every time there's something like this damn camera is heavy as shit. Every day that passes me, every time something like this happens, it's a learning experience, and I am learning, and I'm actually becoming more educated on how can I say, I'm actually becoming more educated on everything, nutrition, on mental health when it comes to like sorry y'all, the street is kind of hard to see. Mental health when it comes to like food addiction. That's a whole nother video, but y'all gonna hate me when I say this, but I usually used to hear people say, oh my God, I have a food addiction, and I used to be like, really? And that is so terrible to say, but because I am being 100% honest and saying how I feel and what I'm going through, I really felt like that. I felt like sometimes people was bullshitting when they would say stuff about having food addictions, because I'm like, oh, alright. Sometimes I might have a dessert, like a piece of cheesecake, that be so bomb that every other day after eating that first piece of cheesecake I might want it, but I didn't think that was a food addiction. Okay, and I'm gonna elaborate that more in my next video, which I'm gonna probably title Food Addictions Are Real, because I learned that and it happened to me in such a crazy ass way, so I want to express that to y'all too. So yeah, so I'm just still enjoying the whole process. Basically, I'm enjoying my failures and my achievements, because whether I have missed appointments or not, I literally have lost like 6 pounds on my own, and that is like super awesome for me, because I'm one of them people that toggle between like 3 and 4 pounds of weight loss and weight gain, but I never go under like 5 pounds. So to lose 6 pounds is just like, okay. And I mean, losing 6 pounds without even doing nothing. Like, I have not exercised. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna try and start that this weekend though. I think I'm gonna start working out this weekend and make a plan for that, because I do want to work out beforehand, so that afterwards I just don't be like, oh my god, I just had weight loss surgery, it's now time to work out, and then not be clueless and don't know what to do and don't know how to work out, whatever. So yeah, I do want to start that ahead of time. Yeah, so my surgery is now pushed out to June, and it just is what it is. I'm not even like too upset by it. I'm really not. At first I thought I was gonna be, but I'm not, because there's another tricky thing. So to get this surgery or be approved for the surgery, you have to be, oh my god, this camera's so heavy. You have to be 40, your BMI has to be 40 or higher, right? Or it can be 35 and higher with the comorbidity, meaning you have like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, any of those things. So y'all, mine is not at 40, but I did have a cholesterol reading that was a little bit high, so that put me in the range of being qualifying for weight loss surgery. So because I'm like borderline in the range, from now until the 6-month time, I cannot, my doctor even told me, he was like, I'm just gonna be 100% honest with you, I want you to lose the 10%, or, well, it was originally 10%, then he changed it. He said, I want you to lose the 5% body weight, but I don't want you to lose 10%. He's like, if you lose 10%, then I may not be able to get you approved through your insurance for the surgery. So y'all, it's real tricky. I want to do better on my own before the surgery, since it's a whole 6 months and I want to lose weight, but I'm in a sensitive like situation. Like, if I lose too much weight, they're not gonna, if I lose too much weight, those couple of numbers in my cholesterol is automatically gonna go down. 2, if I lose too much weight, I won't qualify anyway, and then I feel like I'm gonna be stuck at that weight, which to me is probably still not gonna be my ideal weight. So I'm kind of in a fucked up situation, and I'm trying to keep in mind that I have to do it the way that they want me to do it. So yeah, so that is my update, and I'm sorry if I'm disappointing and I'm not getting shit done as fast as I can, but this is just my real life situation, and I'm sure other people have had problems like this. And even other times when I be like, I bet I'm the only one that did this, people comment and they be like, girl, the same thing happened to me. So I don't really feel that bad. At least I'm still going through with it. At least I'm still planning to have it done, and it is what it is, okay? So I will be doing that other video shortly to tell you about the insurance and everything, so that y'all can know more about that. And then also a video on food addiction, because it's real, and I'm so sorry if I offended anybody when I said that I didn't think it was a real thing. But again, that's the denial part of being overweight. You don't think, oh, I have a food addiction. You don't. And I'm just being honest with you, because that's the type of person I am. And I just did not think it was a real thing until I found myself in a situation that made me really know that it's a real thing. So look out for that video, guys, and thank you always for watching. Thank you for all the beautiful comments that you guys leave me. I love all of y'all, are the best. My channel is slowly growing, and I'm so excited. And if you are new here and you're on a weight loss journey, if you are doing weight loss surgery, if you're just trying to lose weight, if you're just looking for opinions about it, then I'm glad you are here. Please hit the subscribe button so that you can be a part of the family. And like this video, comment, which I know you're going to do because I get good comments. And I will see you in the next video.